Welcome into the Woolly Review for Yarnsmiths Headliner, 100% cotton. It does have a centre pull. I am not going to use it because I don't like centre pulls. This is in the colour neutral tones, but of course we are not reviewing the colour, although there are 30 different colours to choose from. Now, Yarnsmiths is practically exclusive to the Wool Warehouse. So finding it anywhere else would more than likely be a private seller. With this headliner, there are 30 different colour combinations. This is in neutral tones. So we have got a kind of a brunette brown on the outside, and it gradually comes to a fawny colour and then an orangey cream, as it were, leading into a pinky cream and then cream. I'm going to do my very, very best to leave it in the cake, which does actually mean for this time only I will be taking from the centre, but I really, really don't like it. Anyway, this is 1,000 metres, 100% cotton. I mean, they say 1,000 metres, 1,093 yards, but that is an approximation. But we are going to a centre pull. Now, this is mine, so I'm going to do a full swatch. They recommend between, is it 2.5? 2.5 and 3.5 hook. I don't have a 3.5, so I'm going to use a 3 for this little swatch. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we're going to do 2 rows of single crochet in this creamy colour. Now, by the looks of it, it's a long colour change, which personally I prefer. If we're going to go ombre, give me a long change. Don't suddenly quickly just change it out within less than an inch. That's personally not what I like, but I know a lot of people do. But this is my review. My review. Anyway. This headliner, I do believe it comes in a blend as well. So you've got headliner and headliner, the blended one. Well, this isn't blended. This is 100% cotton, and we're not here to review my awful crochet skills. Thank you very much. We are here to review the cotton itself. Now, granted, if you have used this, I can't get it, where is it? If you have used this, let me know down below in the comments. And heck, if you're here, maybe give a little watch, and before I give the LadybirD review at the end, maybe take a guess at what you think I'm going to give it as a score. Got up to 5 ladybirds, 1 being bad, 2 being pretty darn good. Now, this is splitting a little bit, and I'll show you when I get on to the end here. A better close-up of the strands. I believe this is a 4-ply, and it is made up of 8 strands, I believe. So I'm expecting splitting, and it is to a degree. So you can see that. If I just untwist that a little bit. There you go. Oh, can't get it. There we go. So you've got the splits there. I mean, I'm not doing the splits. I mean, the cotton is splitting. Anywho, there's the 2 rows of single. You can see where it's split off because you've got the loops. But I'm trying not to crochet on eggshells, maybe a term, with this, and just crochet as I ordinarily would, because obviously when we do a crochet or a knit, we aren't staring at it 100% of the time. And if you've really, really got to concentrate full blown on your work, it tends to annoy quite a few people because this is done for relaxing more often than not. Not saying every time, but you know, more often than not. So I'm not trying to be careful, I'm trying to use as is, and when it splits like that, well, okay, so it's splitting. And it is splitting, which of course a lot of people absolutely hate. I'm there. I'm one of those people. It doesn't feel too bad at all. I did review its counterpart, Support Act, last week. I would say it was the same cotton. I don't think there's any difference with it. Apart from with Support Act, it is 50 grams, 200 meters, and solid colours. And Headliner is more variegated. We're doing half double crochets now, 2 rows of course, we're on our way to meet the frog. Just like the Support Act, I'm expecting this to frog really, really easy, but get very kinked up. That's my expectations. I am planning to make a certain shawl out of this, as it's got the meterage. I think it'd be perfect. And the colouring, with it being neutrals, should be nice to go with practically everything. So that's my plan for it. So yes, it's mine, and that's hence why I'm doing a full swatch rather than just a half swatch like I would with the Woolly Wednesday giveaway items. So there's the half double. I'll do one more row of half doubles. Yes, it feels nice. The splitting is a little bit because again, I'm trying not to be careful, but at the same time, I'm very well aware that this is not really wanting to play ball. Or cake, as it were. But still, I'm trying. But yeah, have you given this one a go? Again, you'll have to let me know down below. And heck, another reason why you could go down to just underneath the video, there's a subscribe button, which is completely free to do if you haven't done already. And if you hit the notification bell to all or personalised, you'll know when the next woolly review comes out. I do reviews on things to be found within Europe. I leave others to do the American wools or yarns. Let's do double crochet. But I'll do the things from Europe. So if you're ever shopping this way, I hope I can help in a little way at least. And if you get subscribed, then you'll see the latest. Oh, Splitsville. Oh dear. Let's try that again. Now maybe you've given this a go and you really, really liked it, or you really, really hated it. Let me know. Oops. And we're coming to the end of the double crochets. And of course we're not here to review my crochet skills or lack of. There we go. That's not me stretching it, that's as is. I'll do one more of double. And then we'll be at the frog's house. It's a lovely, lovely soft cotton. It's definitely not something that you would necessarily make a household item with, unless you were making like a dish towel, tea towel, maybe. Something for drying your hands. But personally speaking, I think this is more of a... Oh, I've got cramp. Oh, ouch. More of a wearable cotton than a usable cotton. Okay, getting that last one. And I'll always use the recommended hook size. It says between 2.75 and 3.5. So I'm using a 3, which is in the recommended. And I think it's pretty much spot on. That feels perfectly fine. I'd be okay with that. I'd be okay with that. Not expecting elasticity. There isn't any. So let's take the frog for a walk. Look at the kink. Oh my gosh, the kink. But I know the frog isn't overly keen on walking. He likes his motorbike. Oh my gosh. Because of the splitting, we had a kink. We had a bad start for the motorbike. Look at the kink. Oh my gosh. And somehow I've got to get all that back in to the centre. I don't do centre pulls. I hate the centre pulls. It's a personal thing. Some people love them. Some people swear by them. Some people hate them. I personally am one of the latter. Okay. So we do have the easy start 1,000 meters for 10 quid. Sorry, £9.99. Sorry, £9.99. I would say that was pretty good. I mean, it is a 4-ply. The strands do make it very, 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 very splitty. Very splitty. But I'm supposed to be making a shawl out of it. And I will make a shawl out of it. But would I buy it again? Well, I'm going to go straight to... Well, it'd probably be in my top 10. Would it be in my top 3 for cotton if I needed a good old amount of it? Yes, I think it would. I would possibly... I haven't overly looked at the colours that they've got, but they've got 30. So I think that there's probably a good range of choice to go for. So I would say it'd probably be my second go-to. It definitely won't be my first. But I think the value for the softness and the colouring and most definitely the meterage, I think is pretty good. So I'm going to say for headliner, 100% cotton, we're going to do a 4 out of 5 Ladybirds, I think. I think that's pretty darn good. I think there should be something for most people in there. I think for 1,000 meters, that's good going, personally speaking. So, yeah. But let me know down below whether you'd give it a go or whether you have given it a go. And maybe if you've subscribed, I will see you next time. So take care. Bye-bye.